See, this is exactly why we had to strip the entire bike down and start over fresh from the beginning. Look at this crap. I guess they figured since it was hidden inside the tour pack, nobody would ever see it. Well, guess what? We saw it, and we're fixing it. Somebody thought it was okay to deliver the customer his tour pack like this. Doesn't matter how much the customer paid or what we charged. This non-acceptable finished product. Let's see if we can do a little bit better. I think that's a little bit better. Just took a little bit of time, some texture coat, some black paint.